Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Petrania Plates and I have a friend with me today. I'm here with my friend Annie and she's here to have dinner with me. I'm actually gonna make you dinner. So we're celebrating her new job actually, but I also wanted to talk about this new recipe that I've been wanting to actually make it for this channel for a while. It's BBQ Pork Cauliflower fried rice. So something quick, easy, and healthy for you, your daughter, and she's what, 5?
She is 7 now.
7! Oh my gosh.
Time flies.
They grow up so fast. Yes, we're gonna make cauliflower fried rice today, and you're gonna kind of follow me around. I'll teach you how to make it. So hopefully it's easy and it's good, and we'll show you how to make it as well. So let's get started. All right, so we're in the kitchen now, and Annie's actually acting as my photographer. Thank you so much. Some minced garlic, some chopped up green onions, minced ginger right there, some chopped up yellow white onions. You can use either one. Some for seasoning, we have some soy sauce, sesame oil. This is a good one actually from Trader Joe's if you've never had that. I'm just using some olive oil. Yeah, it's really good. And of course I use fish sauce for everything, right? Thai people do that. And also I'm gonna top it with some sesame seed, and you see that with a lot of Asian dishes. And the star of the show, well, 2 stars of the show, aside from the cauliflower rice, we're actually gonna use some pre-cooked barbecue pork. So this is the cauliflower stir-fried. So you see it already has green peas, red peppers, grilled corn, so it has a bunch of stuff in it already, so use that. And then I also wanted to add a little bit more veggies. So one of my goals this year, if you saw my last video about eating more greens, so this is a way of putting more vegetables into this dish. So now we're gonna cut up the barbecue pork into small pieces. There. Do you like barbecue pork?
Love.
Isn't it so good?
Love.
And it's
double heart eyes.
Oh my gosh, I love these things. And I was actually gonna make this fried rice with tofu. And then I saw this. I'm like, okay, forget the tofu. We're making...
Good choice.
We're making...
Let's go full on unhealthy.
Yeah. You know, semi. We still have veggies and stuff.
If you're going to have a Texan over for dinner,
that's true. You are a Texan. Yes. So this is Asian barbecue. You're a Thai Texan. That's right. Okay. Have you ever used sesame oil in your cooking?
Oh, yeah, all the time. Actually, that's our go-to default oil.
And it just adds this, like... Asian tastes, you know, to all your dishes. Whether it be like, I use it for salad dressing or stir fry. Get fragrant. We're gonna put in our
it is getting fragrant.
chopped onions. So this is kind of the starter with most Asian stir fries, right? Garlic, onions, ginger. So you can smell that sesame oil, yeah? Mm-hmm. How easy it is. It has all these vegetables already in it. So it'll take a few minutes for it to kind of cook together and warm. And it's all about like adding more volume. What's Vivian's favorite vegetables?
Oh, she loves carrots.
Okay, so there are plenty of carrots in here. Put some of our barbecue pork right in there. And if you're a vegetarian or anything like that, if you don't want to put, you can put tofu, which would be really good too. You can put other kind of vegetables, or you can put chicken, cooked pork, beef, whatever you want. I just love barbecue pork fried rice, so we're gonna make it this way. All right. A little bit, and then put it right. The rice, let it cook a little bit in the middle, and then we're gonna mix it all in. Do you remember what they call fried rice in Thai? Yes, you do. What's fried rice in Thai? Khao pat.
Khao pat.
There you go. I'm giving you a Thai lesson and a cooking lesson.
My recall is awful, but my comprehension is on point.
What do you think?
I think it looks beautiful. Look at this. It's so colorful. It's like a rainbow in your mouth. Delicious. So pretty. Probably very tasty too.
And then we top it with the green onions and the sesame seed, just to make it look more fancy.
Yeah, it looks like something you could get in a restaurant.
Okay, let's try it. See what you think.
The first thing I taste is, other than the barbecue pork, but the first like condiment I feel
Like
is
sesame oil?
Sesame oil. I taste the ginger.
I'm glad you came over, and congratulations on your new job.
Thank you.
And I cooked for you a few times.
Yes.
I love cooking for my friends, so
She's
if you're a
great
friend of
cook.
mine, there's a great chance that I will cook for you at some point.
It's a great perk.
Well, thank you so much for joining me on my dinner, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to Patrina Plates, please do, right?
Yes,
I tell everyone to
please do
subscribe.
subscribe. Tell all your friends.
All right, thank you, and I'll see you next time.